going on, everyone? I'm at the infamous Duthie Hill outside of Seattle, Washington. It's 55 and semi-sunny today, so I figured I'd get out and test my new GoPro Hero 8. So I haven't been able to test out the Hero 8 yet, and I wanted to take today to be a learning experience for me to understand what settings are going to be best for mountain biking. So today I'm going to be comparing the wide view and the super wide, as well as Hypersmooth Boost and Hypersmooth 2.0. So let's get on the trails and check it out. All right, dropping in. So it rained earlier today, so I don't know how the trails are gonna be, but they're looking all right now. So those who don't know of Duthie Hill, it's like the premier bike park in the Seattle metro area. And since I've lived in Seattle the last 2 years, it has been an awesome training ground for me. Seen my skills just go up immensely. So highly recommend checking it out if you're in the area. It's definitely worth it. Whew, it's kind of soggy. Oh, this one's always a great start. Oh, it's hard to pump sometimes. Woo. Oh, record. Oh, too tight. So they just built up this jump again. Woo! Oh, cased. Yeah. Oh, my legs are tired. And finish. So I just watched some playback of the Superview on Deuces Wild, and I like it. It looks pretty good. It's definitely already stepped up my GoPro footage. I used to use the Hero 4 and I didn't have a gimbal, so it kind of looked like shit, but whew. See at the bottom. All right, so that was Voodoo Child. Hit the biggest drop there, and the Big Bad Wolf. It's about a 5-foot drop, I would say. But that was Superview. Now we're gonna pedal back up. I'm gonna shift over to wide view with the Hypersmooth Boost. So we'll do a side-by-side comparison and see what's better. All right, I just switched over to the wide view. I'm gonna do the Voodoo Child run again. This time we got Hypersmooth 2.0 Boost on. Let us know what you think. Man, this next drop, I used to be so scared of it, but it's so easy now. Woo! So that was the wide with Hypersmooth boost. So I'm excited to see what it looks like when we go back and play it on my laptop. So I've been wanting to get into YouTube for a while now. I always was the person that said I was gonna start a YouTube channel. And I sit and watch all these other mountain bike YouTubers. I never get off my ass and actually make it happen. So my 2020 goal was to get out a video on YouTube, and it's January. So if you're watching this in January, I hit that goal, and I encourage you to do the same thing. Just get out there and start creating, start making. Who gives a crap if they suck or if your content is just not that good? Mine's not that good, but at least we're out here doing it. So just give it a go. What do you got to lose? All right, we're on Ryan's Eternal Flow. This is Superview, dropping it. Scraping. Ooh, threw me off my seat a little there. Oh, tight turn. All right. Oh. Kicker. Oh. Oh, this is my favorite trail. So much fun. Whoa. Holy shit, I got kicked off. Just got lucky there. So there you have it. Good day. Awesome to be out on the trails. I think I got a good hang of how to use the GoPro too, which is the main reason I was out here. And super excited to get back home and see what the footage looks like. As of right now, from what I saw, I'm leaning towards the Superview, just because it seems a little bit more immersive, and honestly, from what I saw, the boost doesn't look like it does a whole lot compared to Hypersmooth 2.0. So, but we'll see here shortly.